Hello everyone, myself Anchal Agarwal. Today we will do binomial theorem and we will see why we need this theorem. In lower classes we have done a plus b whole square, which will be a square plus 2ab plus b square, and a plus b whole cube we have done a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. And if we want to find higher powers of a plus b, that is for example a plus b whole to power 100, it will be difficult for us to find out by using these formulas. So here binomial theorem will come and help us to find powers a plus b whole to power n, where n is any natural number, which says n a plus b whole to power n will be nc0, where ncr is equal to n factorial divided by r factorial into n minus r factorial. N factorial is product of first n natural numbers. This is nc0, first term a whole to power n minus 0, that is n, b to power lower thing, plus nc1 a to power n minus 1, b to power this thing, going up to ncn. N is the index of a plus b, a to power n minus n, that is 0, b to power n. Okay, so we can see this upper term is fixed and this is varying from 0 1 up to n. So these total number of terms are n plus 1, and this is increasing by 1, 0 1 up to n. Okay, so we can now easily write a plus b whole to power 100 will be 100c0 a to power 100 minus 0, b to power lower thing going up to 100c100, b to power 100. Okay, now we can see that is first term here is nc0 a to power n, b to power 0, and second term is this thing. So we can see if this is first term here is 0, if this is second term here is 1, and this is n plus 1 a term because this is last term and total number of terms are n plus 1, and here we have ncn. So we can generalize it and saying by saying r plus 1 a term is ncr a to power n minus r, b to power r, and this is called general term of a plus b whole to power n. Now we want to find out middle term of a plus b whole to power n. If n is even, then there will be a single middle term, that is n by 2 plus 1 a term. If n is odd, then there are two middle terms, and that is n plus 1 by 2th term and n plus 3 by 2th term. Now we do one question of middle term. We have to find middle term of this expression. We know here n is equal to 6, so it is even, so there will be a single middle term, that will be 6 by 2 plus 1 a term, that is 4th term. And we know r plus 1 a term is this thing. By using this thing we can write 4th term. Here n is 6, so 6c3 x cube 2y whole to power 3. Second question is find term independent of x in this expression. Firstly we will write its general term, that is r plus 1 a term, which will be 6cr, this thing 6 minus r, second term whole to power r. We have expanded it and find out x to power of x. Now we want term independent of x, that is we want x to power 0, that is 12 minus 3 should be 0. This will imply r is equal to 4, but this is a r plus 1 a term which is independent of x, and r is 4, so fifth term will be independent of x. That we can find out by using this thing. Okay, thank you.